The recipe highlights chicken breasts as the primary protein, allowing a choice between whole or boneless varieties for quicker cooking. This adaptability caters to diverse dietary preferences. Onions are integral to the dish, with recommendations for quantity adjusted to their size. For an improved texture, slicing them into julienne strips is essential. Seasoning takes center stage, particularly with sumac as a pivotal component. Alongside a mix of spices, pomegranate molasses elevates the overall flavor profile. The chicken cooks until tender, blending flavors harmoniously with the onions. This method ensures a rich taste and desirable texture in the completed dish. Utilizing a specific type of bread, it's cut into triangles for convenient rolling. This approach not only enhances presentation but enriches the overall dining experience. The rolls are baked with a drizzle of olive oil, achieving a crispy finish that is both visually appealing and flavorful. This technique is essential for the desired texture and coloration. Filled with shredded chicken and a creamy mixture, the spring rolls offer a distinct taste. The preparation method guarantees that the rolls maintain their crispiness and flavor. The video illustrates the caramelization of onions and the cooking of chicken cubes, enriching the filling's flavor. Adding spices like garlic and soy sauce further enhances the overall taste. Employing puff pastry across various dishes fosters creativity in both presentation and flavor combinations. The final pastries are versatile, making them suitable for parties or school lunches.